a call for political clarity and national interest, an emphasis on the need for the adoption of Peter Obi as the presidential candidate of ADC. You see, 2027 is not going to be another election. It is going to be a defining moment for Nigeria, a memorandum on vision, accountability, credibility, and capacity. And for ADC, it is a rare opportunity to position itself as an alternative party and ride on the wave of national goodwill by presenting Peter Obi as the presidential candidate of their party. Here are a few reasons why ADC must shun the political shenanigans and give Peter Obi the ticket. 1. Peter Obi is a kind of president Nigeria needs at this point in time. His competence, his character, and credibility. In fact, these attributes perfectly fit the profile of a modern leader, and Peter Obi has what it takes to lead with transparency and deliver results. Of course, we can see that that can be proven or could be proven while he was the governor of Anambra State. Secondly, it is a turn of the South, and it is just right that the South completes its turn or its tenure. Post 2023, a call for power shift to the South was not just a political slogan, it was a moral imperative. Therefore, ADC would by all means necessary stand by the side of history, yes, by supporting the call and the cry for justice and balance. And in doing so, it is the adoption of Peter Obi as a presidential candidate, who is equally a Southerner, that will justify the fact that ADC has stood up for justice and equity. Thirdly, Nigerians are tired with old faces and tired political recycling of politicians who lack new ideas, who are rather much concerned about their personal interests. Therefore, come 2027, ADC must distance itself from all these tired politicians and decisive figures and do the right thing by adopting a candidate that gain public acceptance. And of course, this is no other person than Peter Obi. Fourthly, prior to 2023 election, in fact, youths were not interested in anything Nigeria politics and all that. But then there was so much kind of anxiety, so much kind of enthusiasm within the youth. In fact, and that orchestrated the movement of the obedient. And also, this also was possible as a result of Obi's candidacy. And this movement is still in existence and even gaining more momentum. Therefore, imagine the combination of such movement with heavyweight politicians who have formed alliance with our coalition presently, with heavyweight politicians, big wins, who are ready to support and giving their all to the party, their loyalty, free from internal betrayal, crisis, and anti-party activities. Of course, this will definitely be a game changer come 2027. And also, ADC is yet to actually gain public relevance. Yes, it is yet to actually gain public relevance. Therefore, the adoption of Peter Obi as a presidential candidate will change things overnight for them. Why? Because Peter Obi has already gained an organic support base, popularly known as the Obedient. This movement, with a combination of the political heavyweight, like I earlier mentioned, will definitely bring about a massive game change come 2023 and will lead ADC to victory in 2027. So, in my humble submission, it is my appeal that ADC should do the right thing and have a chance of coming out bold and making a difference, as well as being remembered. In fact, if ADC should adopt Peter Obi as its presidential candidate, it will not just position itself or establish itself as a party that actually cares about the people, but also it will definitely present itself as a party that will bring about total change in the 2023 election. In fact, it will electrify the 2027 race, and also will position ADC as a party that is untainted, on board, and unwavering in the pursuit of national progress. Therefore, at this point in time, it is the time to shun political dramas and give Peter Obi the ticket and let the real work and the real movement begin. Thank you for your attention to this matter.